Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, how to create an AI image with Meta AI, and you can also even chat with an AI to create any picture. You can whatever you imagine, you can create on WhatsApp with AI. And first of all, you have to click on the WhatsApp. So let's move on the WhatsApp. And friends, here when you move on the WhatsApp, so here click on the search, then from here you can type any what you are thinking on your mind. Suppose you can type in the message box, or you can type on the you just type on your on the search. An example like hi, then you can click on this ask, and here it will say hi in English. Okay, I said in English. You can chat with the Meta AI, and after that from here you can ask example like I will say imagine a cat wearing a space suit on Mars. Okay, imagine, and here you can say generate a image. And here now it's typing. Let's see. So here friends, it's worked totally what I want, and it's given the image what I type. Okay, so guys, this is how you can use the AI on WhatsApp. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, this is very lovely trick that you can create an AI image with the Meta AI. So thanks for watching. Bye.